Welcome back. How to fix HyperX Cloud Alpha mic not working. If you find the solution of your problem, then watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content. If your HyperX Cloud Alpha mic not working, then we need to follow some steps. You will see people provide their opinion and solution regarding this. One people says that make sure that the cord attached to the headset is pushed all the way in. It takes a little extra push to get it sealed all the way. So this is the first thing you need to consider. And here you will see another people says that I have read all the commands and nothing worked for me. However, I play around trying everything and eventually something worked and might work for some of you. Instead of plugging your microphone in the slots on the front of your PC, plug in the headset directly in the slot at the back of your PC directly in the motherboard. That fixes all of your problem instantly. Hope this helps. So this is the second thing you need to consider. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.